following phrases, Ethan. Wait, not so fast, huh? I don't know it. Wait, no? Next. Last page. Now, in English grammar, what are synonyms? Are you sure? Wait not. I said synonyms. What are synonyms? I said synonyms. What are synonyms? Words with similar. Alright. Now, what is the synonym of eagle? Soft, new, fat, pretty, tall, hot, warm. Very good. Now, what are antonyms? Opposite, meanings. Put them in hands away. What is the antonym of shout? Push, full, friend, entrance, hungry, expensive. Okay. Still in English grammar. When do we use this and that? When do we use these and those? When do we use this and these? When do we use that and those? Okay, in mathematics, count Ethan backwards from 100 down to 84 only. From 100 down to 84. Okay, very good. Now subtract the following numbers. 98 minus